Welcome to SWAMY'S Academy. Today we'll learn about the basic concept in the coordinate geometry. You have four formulas are there in the coordinate geometry. We learned already basic concept in the about the graph. Here, first point is distance between the two coordinates. Generally, coordinates will mention separated by the commas and enclosed with parenthesis bracket, that is x comma. Coordinate will be mentioned here x comma y. Here the given distance between the two coordinates, that is x1 comma y1, another one x2 comma y2, another one here x2 comma y2. To find what is the length is between the two coordinates in the graph, we'll use the formula. So what is the formula to find between? That means square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula to find distance between the two coordinates. This is first formula in the coordinate geometry. And the second formula. So what is the second formula? Is to find the distance between them from origin. Origin we know already. In the origin, x value will be 0, y value will be 0. The coordinates will be 0, 0. Another one will take as a common here, x, y. To find the origin and one of the coordinates here, x, y, distance, we'll use the direct formula. So what is the formula? Means square root of x square plus y square. This is a formula. So between the two coordinates, this is the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Second formula from the origin, square root of x square plus y square. Third one, between the two coordinates, to find the midpoint. So midpoint means dividing into two equal parts. So generally will be taken here x1 comma y1 one coordinate, another coordinate here x2 comma y2. To find these coordinates, formula will be used. What is the formula? Means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is a formula to find midpoint in this. So one coordinate is x1 comma y1, another coordinate is x2 comma y2. To find x comma y values, we'll use the formula. So what is the formula? Means x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. Next, another formula is there. If the given ratio and two coordinates are given, to find the ratio of their coordinates. To find the ratio of the coordinates. Here, for example, ratio will be taken m1 is to m2. To find this part. Here x1 comma y1. Another one x2 comma y2. Once again the question. If the given ratio and two coordinates are given, to find the values of p x comma y. To find the p x comma y, there is nothing but we call as a section formula. So what is the section formula to find p x comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 separated by the comma. Another one m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is nothing but we call as a section formula. This is internally. If you want to find externally, between the symbol will be minus. This is internally. Overall, we have the coordinate geometry, four formulas. One is distance between the two coordinates. Another one is from origin. Third one is midpoint. Fourth one is a section formula. So distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. the origin formula is square root of x square plus y square. From midpoint value to find that one, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. To find the value of the given ratio, p x comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Overall summary about coordinate geometry. First point is the distance between the p x1 comma y1 and q x2 comma y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then the second point, the distance of the point p x comma y from origin is square root of x square plus y square. Third point is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points p x1 comma y1 and q x2 comma y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Fourth point is the coordinates of the point p x comma y which divides the lines segment joining the points a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus n2. Thank you.